Hello guys, my name is Amos and I came especially from Israel, from Tel Aviv, to meet you. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to talk about our cooperation with our local partner. I'm going to talk about video. And what is basically the problem with the video? Where is video and internet going together? Who is using video today? Who has experience with video? Please raise your hands. Who is using video? Nobody is using video? Come on, guys. Even my son is using video. Okay, what kind of video are you using? Let's go in the other one. YouTube. Okay, what else? For business, what kind of video are you using? Business. Sorry? Link gateway. Okay, link. What else? What kind of video are you using? The big problem with video, most of the IT guys, IT managers are afraid to launch, to implement video because they are afraid about the bandwidth, about capacity, about the quality, okay? Can you hear me? It's okay? Can you hear me? So my name is Amos, and I'm coming from RadVision, from AVAYA, Israel. I'm working more than 4 years in RadVision. Last year we joined to AVAYA and we become part of AVAYA. The video solution fully integrated with AVAYA. We have our local partner here that you will have a surprise at the end of the presentation. Is this correct? Where's the box with the envelope? Don't forget. You told me, don't forget. Yes. Ask more people to come, otherwise they will miss it. Maybe it will be a good sign to ask them to come in. No? Okay. So the big problem with the video is, first of all, how to implement it with the network. People are really afraid to launch video because of the bandwidth. We will talk about it. People are afraid about packet loss. You know, packet loss is an issue. When you have a packet loss, you see a lot of problems with video. People are afraid what's happening when the bandwidth is dropping. What's happening with your device? You know, everybody has his own device, yes? Do you have smartphone? Who has smartphone here? Who has no smartphone? Me. I don't have smartphone, you see? I'm joking. I have also a second phone, Nokia, I like it. But I'm usually using smartphone. And why I'm using smartphone? Because I would like to do everything in my mobile. I'm doing my emails, I'm reading everything. WhatsApp also with my kids, but also video. And I'm going to show you in a moment how you can do demo, how you can do video with your handset. You can do video also with the iPad, iPhone, etc. What is the big problem with this? Everyone is bringing his own device, and the IT guys are afraid what's going on, what they are going to do, how they are going to handle the security, encryption, firewall. We will discuss about it. AVAYA, together with our local partner here, we have a full solution video, fully integrated with your infrastructure, fully supporting all the problems that I discussed. We're fully dealing with, is it okay? Fully dealing with the firewall, we are dealing with the packet loss and everything. And the most important is bring your own device. You can bring your device integrated with the network with no problem, and we will see that. We want to make video fast and simple. IT guys hate when they need to do configuration and changes, etc. Do you remember the times that you want to join video? You need to connect with ISDN, you need to have a special guy with ISDN. All of you are very young. Do you know what is ISDN? Do you know? Yes, you know what is ISDN. So ISDN, was very problematic. You could get maximum 128 kilobits per second, 250 if it was 2 channels. But if you want to do a video, any idea, full HD, how much bandwidth do you need for full HD? Not full HD, HD. HD 30 frames per second. Who has idea how much bandwidth do you need? Sorry? 7 megs? No, don't be IT guy. Okay, you're not IT guy, eh? You are an engineer, yes? For the HD, you need 1 meg for both sides, 1 megabits. Today, for good quality, HD. With a AVAYA solution, we cut it by half, and we will show you in a moment. The problem when you come with a full HD or HD, you have a lot of bandwidth. How to cut the bandwidth? How to make it simple? So first of all, one touch, and you join to the video, and we will see that. Do you see this picture? I'm sorry, I'm standing on the front. Can you see this picture? This picture was taken in Tel Aviv. We have sunshine most of the time. And guys, you want to do a video anywhere, any place. You want to be outside. In most of the GSM operators, how much bandwidth do you get? Any idea? Half meg, 600 kilobits, maximum 1 meg, if you are lucky. For downstream, for upstream, very, very small, like 10%, like 70, 80, 100 kilobits. So you need, as an IT manager, once you involve with a video, you need to be aware of the needs of the bandwidth, needs of the problem with the bandwidth, like packet lost, problem when it's drop down, etc., etc. Avaya, with our local partner here, we have a full solution video that's supporting all your needs. And we are supporting every device, as I said, and you can also do video presentations, everything together, like a video streaming together. And as you see here, we have even slider. What is the slider? You can join to the meeting, and you can see the previous slides if you're coming late, for example, okay? So now what I'm going to do, let's start with the first application. You can run video on any PC. We can convert your PC to become full endpoint, full video connection, okay? The good is, it's not a regular like Skype, like all other devices. It's a full supporting, fully encryption, fully supported all the technologies that's handling with the bandwidth problems and etc. But make your life simple. And what I'm going to do now, we are supporting every device. No matter if you have an iPhone, iPad, whatever you have, any platform, any operation system, we can support. Let's do a quick demo. Let's jump a few slides. So go in here, live demo. How do you invite people? To invite people, it's very simple with Avaya solution. You just send an email or some invitation like you do with the Outlook. How do you invite people to a meeting? You send them invitation, you go to the calendar, invite, blah, 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 and then you click location, which room. Instead of room, you have a virtual room. And now, what we're going to do now, I'm going to invite myself to the video and show you how simple it is. I just get a link from my friend, from my guest, from anyone, and I'm joining to the video. Please connect it with your, thank you very much for your help. And now I'm going to find someone here to send him invitation. Let's look who I can send him invitation by email and ask him to join me to the video. Let's see. I'm going to have my Outlook here. I'm going to invite someone. This is called Scopia solution. You will see that in a moment. It's alive. And I'm joined to the conference. Now I'm going to find someone to join me. Hey, can you join me in a video? I'm sending you right now. Guys, it's a demo, okay? It's a real live, but it's a... Please join me for a video. Can you stand up, please? And see, he's coming with iPad. From which company are you? Can you present yourself? Yeah, you say your name and which company? Unimai. This is our reseller here in Poland. And what he's going to do, he got now invitation for a link. Please join me to the video, okay? He will click one click. You will see, guys, this is a live video. I'm using 3G right now, a Wi-Fi even. The bandwidth that I'm getting here is about 200 kilobits. Do you remember we said full HD, it's 1 meg. We know how to compress, to encrypt, and to handle with problems. See the quality. There is no lights, even though I can do a very good quality for video. Guys, this is a really nice quality. There is a nice ladies here. It's okay? Can I show you? Okay. You can see here, if I will stabilize my camera, you will see the quality, okay? I will not be I will not embarrass you, so I will move the camera. So see how easy. I'm using 200 kilobits, 300 kilobits. How did I do that? Avaya. With our local partner, we can explain how we are doing it. Let's go to the next slides. Let's switch. We finish the demo. It's very easy to invite. You just send the link. You install a client on your mobile or your iPad. The client is free, and then you join. You see the link? This is the link, the invitation that you are sending. Once you send the invitation, we know how to handle problems. And I'm going now to touch the problems. SVC, thank you very much. Guys, this is live, this is real. It's connecting with the server, with the MCU in Israel right now. And I'm using my Wi-Fi here. How much bandwidth do you think we got here? 200, maybe 300 kilobits? I can do even HD or full HD with a good quality if I succeed to get a good internet. Now, how we are doing that? First of all, let me close this one because it will give us hard time now. Yes, not so. the battery will die. You know, I have a new version here. Any application you're running here after 10 minutes, you need to replace the battery. It's not related to Avaya, okay, guys. Sorry for that. Okay, the first issue that I would like to deal with is SVC. What is SVC? The problem with a video is packet loss. Up to 5% packet loss, most of the video will fail. With Avaya solution, up to 20%, we can keep the video in a good quality. How we do that? You see the face here, the quality of the face is really bad. If I will click, the second picture this is exactly how you see it with Avaya solution for video. Fully integrated SVC solution. What is SVC? What we are doing, we are keeping the packages, these frames, in the buffer. If there is a packet lost, we are missing some of the packages, some of the frames. So instead of just showing what is missing, and this is it looks like a ghost, we are building the picture on the fly. So you see the quality of the picture look very nice, smooth, even you are losing some of the frames. Any idea how many frames is normal for video? Any idea? 30 frames per second, 30 frames. So if you are losing 5%, you start to see bad picture. If you lose 20%, no connection for video. With Avaya, with RadVision solution, you can see a good quality and we can handle that. So the first issue that we are handling is the SVC. It's called SVC. It's a standard. It's called scalable video coding, SVC. We are the only one, by the way. All our competitors, like Cisco, the big is anyone here from Cisco? No Cisco? I don't want to have any enemy. Polycom? No Polycom? No enemy. This is good. I can say whatever I want. So SVC is supported today officially only with RadVision/Avaya solution. So we know how to handle packet loss very good. The second issue, how to handle bandwidth. The big problem with video is bandwidth. For a full HD, it's 1.7 meg. HD is 1 megabits, both sides. Guys, if you do a video conferencing, 25 people, how much bandwidth you need for HD? If it's 1 meg multiplied by 25 meg. Who has 25? We are fully supporting standard. It's called high profile. Part of the standard, compressing and make it to the half. Are you familiar with the high profile? Have you heard about it? If not, okay. So this is all our product, all Avaya products for video supporting fully high profile. Very important. The next one, it's called NetSense. NetSense, there is another problem with the network, with the video. What's happening when you start a video, you have 2, 3, 5 people, all of them using full HD, you have enough bandwidth, everything perfect. Perfect. And suddenly it's dropped to the half. What's happened with the quality? Any idea? Quality bad, half. If it was full HD, half it will be HD. If it was HD, it will drop to SD, standard definition. In most of the video solutions, when it's coming up, the speed, the bandwidth, or switches is coming fast to the right speed, most of the videos stuck with the same bandwidth you had before. Even the quality become better, the videos stay the same in the low capacity or low bandwidth. What we did, we developed a special feature. It's called NetSense. NetSense means we feel exactly what's happening with the bandwidth, and if it's coming back, we don't stay down. We jump up to the full HD or HD. So the quality of the picture will remain the same like it was before, and fast. So there are 3 issues that we are dealing with. The first one is the packet loss. We are using SVC. High profile to compress the bandwidth. NetSense to deal with problems with packet loss or failures with the video, with the bandwidth, and then we drop again to the up speed. Are we okay with the time? Where's my boss? Are we okay? 15. Wow, I have enough time. Another issue is the video. When you are dealing with a video, you have some bandwidth, you need to be flexible. What does it mean flexible? When we are doing video, mostly we are using endpoints. Have you heard the terms endpoints? Endpoints is a video for room. When you are using iPad or iPhone, you make your device like endpoints. Means that you can connect with a standard protocol. Now, if you do one-to-one connection, it's simple. You can do it with link. you can do it with Avaya, you can do it with other devices, any unified communication. But if you do 5 connections, or 10 connections, or 25 connections simultaneously, means 25 people join to the video, all of them HD. What do you want to do? You have a server, what we call MCU. This is the device that know how to make multiple connections for video, and you want to do optimization with the device. If you are taking a big MCU, you want to have the ability to optimize. What do you mean optimize? If you have 5 calls, all of them 5 HD calls, means each one holding 1 HD port for video, total is 5 ports. If you have standard definition conference, usually standard definition, it's handled by 25% ports. So every port for HD can support 4 ports of SD. So let's say you join to the video conferencing with your mobile, with your PC, and 2 HD conference room. So total, how many HD? 2. How many SD? Maybe 4. 4 SD can handle by 1 HD. SD, standard definition. Do you know this term, standard definition? Standard definition, it's about 480 pixel. So if you have a standard of 400, if you have any connection 480, you can make 4 calls of SD on the same port for the 1 HD. What is the problem with most of the video solution? I will stand for your camera, yes? Thank you. So what do you need? We need some MCU device that will be flexible. If you have a full HD call, you hold only 1 port. If you have SD, he will hold only 25% calls. So to be flexible, this is very, very important because you want to be optimized with the bandwidth, to do the best solution for the video based on your capacity. And more than that, if you buy a device like MCU and you have 4 calls with different configuration, let me run with the slides, you can see most of our competitors means Polycom, Cisco, Lifesize, etc. If you have 5 calls, you see they are holding 5 ports of the MCU to make connection. The difference between them, one of them is full HD, one of them is SD, one of them is HD. No matter what's happened, everything is using 1 port. See what's happened with Avaya. The first one, I told that I have a laser here. Yes, it's working. So you see here, the first line here holding full HD. The second one is also full HD, but this one is only SD. So it's holding only pieces of the port. So it's not enough that you have a good quality of the video. It's not enough that you know how to handle bandwidth. It's not enough that you know how to handle packet loss. You need to know how to optimize the bandwidth and the capacity with the units that you have to maximize everything together. This is your power as an IT manager, that you can join with any device, bring your own device. You don't have a problem with the firewall. We know how to handle in the clients. We have inside of the client the software that handling all the firewalls, the ports. We are opening the right ports, and you can have a full video with no problem. Another issue, very, very important for video. You see everything that I say, it's very important. This is the most important. Interoperability. You need to know how to use and work with every device. If you have Polycom and Lifesize and Cisco, and now you bring Avaya, you bring your own new software, new packages. You want that everything will work together. You don't want to replace them. What is the big problem with Cisco in most of the cases? When they're coming with a new product, what they will tell you? What they are telling you, when Cisco is coming with a new product, what they say was the old product? Take it out, yes? Replace. The whole idea of Avaya here to merge and to have a full interoperability means we are working with all devices. If they are standards, all of them together. Link. Who mentioned link? Who is working with link here? Perfect. More link. How do you say link in Polish? Link, the same. Okay. Do you have any words like Amos in Polish? No? My name is Amos. Maybe I thought. You know, in Czech Republic, Amos is a very famous teacher. So the first time I said Amos, everybody was laughing, and I didn't know. And then so you don't have anything related to Amos, yes? So link. Let's say you have a link, and you want to merge your video from link to the endpoints. RadVision /Avaya has a full interoperability, full solution. It's called Link Gateway, that we can integrate your link to the endpoints. Today, when you are making video connection with link, with whom can you call? Only your friends, yes? Can you call someone else outside of there? Why not? Microsoft? Do you like Microsoft? Okay, because of Microsoft, it's a closed word, really. Okay? Now, if you want to call outside, no chance. But don't worry. Go to Avaya, go to your local partner. Avaya has a gateway. It's called Link Gateway to connect any device, any video with link environments. So, one word about the history of RADVISION and Avaya. RADVISION was 20 years company of video. We bought by Avaya last year, and we become really a strong video solution, full collaboration solution with Avaya. We have Avaya, RADVISION together, full collaboration. We have a full interoperability and connection, and we are making the connection also with the call centers soon. We are talking about the company more than 20 years in the market. We were the leader of the video for the last 20 years. So RADVISION, it's a leader for the video. Avaya bought the leader. And why I say leader? I'm going to ask you questions, and any answer is the RADVISION. This is the answer. I'm telling you the answer. Do you know WebEx? WebEx, Cisco WebEx. No, not RADVISION. Cisco. Do you know WebEx? Who is using WebEx? WebEx, perfect. Who else? Guys, don't be shy. There is some present later on. It's better for you to be. WebEx is using video. Any idea where is the video coming from? Do you remember the answer that I gave you before? Which video solution Cisco used for the WebEx for the last 10 years? Any idea? RADVISION. Guys, up to last year, it was RADVISION. Why no longer with RADVISION? Because Cisco bought Tamberg, and they replaced with RADVISION. So every WebEx that you know used to use RADVISION. ISDN gateway, you know, Polycom, etc. They have ISDN gateway. Who produced for them? Who is selling the ISDN gateway for Polycom, for example? What is the answer? No Amos, no Amos. Amos is only you're right. Amos, that representing Avaya slash, sorry for that. So RADVISION has a huge experience, more than 20 years in the market. We are really the leaders on the video. So when you selected video from Avaya, basically you are taking the best solution that existing on the market. When we are talking about video, it's not only endpoints, it's not only iPad, it's all these products. We have Link Gateway, we have ISDN Gateway, we have many products. And if you go to Avaya website video, you will see really a huge product line. The last product that we released, it's called Elite 6000. This is the most powerful MCU. Do you remember what is MCU? This is the units, the server, can make connection with as many as you can video calls together. Do you remember? Need to handle SVC, problem with the packet loss. Need to handle encryption, packet loss, profile, high profile, saving bandwidth, everything inside of these units. More than that, you need to have machine very powerful to support up to, do you know how many HD port can these units can support? Any idea? Who can guess? Number, guys, free. Not 6,000. HD port, come on. You're killing me. HD for you, it's 8 meg. 80 ports. This can handle up to 80 port HD. And I would like to show you now what is the size for the same unit, HD ports, 80 port of HD. What will be the size of Cisco? Guess. Who can guess? You can guess. What will be the size? It's big. What is the big of Cisco unit for 80 HD ports? 9U? Someone else? 13, it's too big, guys. Again, this is the size of 80 port for Cisco. 80 port Cisco, guys. What will be Polycom? Any guess? Who can guess? Half. Nice. Less than half. 80 ports. This is RADVISION Avaya solution, 80 port HD, supporting SVC, high profile, NetSense, everything. And I have 5 minutes to finish. So you see the size and you see the capacity. Okay? It's very powerful unit. And this is good also for the hosted, for the cloud. We are fully supporting cloud. We are the powerful solution today for the cloud. And by the way, There is another license that you can buy license and you can double the capacity to be full increased capacity, full SD standard up to 160 call in one unit. And if you need more, you just need to cascade. And they are easy cascading. The management can handle everything like one umbrella. Okay? Any question up to now? What will happen if you are making 19U or 1U? You see, it's not only the power, it's also how much money you save. Energy, guys. See how much money we can save. Small, no space, cooling, etc., etc. And you can have different of product. You can start with 5 HD up to 160 standard definition device in one unit, and you can cascade. Guys, this is robustic. No one has something like this. We just released it last year, and this is really, really robustic machine. We have a full interoperability with all Avaya products, with the IP office, with enterprise. If you need to know more about it, please, you are more than welcome to ask. We have the full integrated and cloud solution. You don't need to start with a video in-house. If you are unable to start with video, if it's expensive for you, come to your partner here locally and talk with him about video solution as a cloud solution. You can buy pieces of video per your needs, per week, per month, etc., etc. This is a really nice solution. We called it fully clouded, and you can have fully integrated with all the devices that we mentioned before. And you can be accessed by every device, every endpoint, any device that you want. This is one of our partners. We have a few big partners for hosted. Do you know this name, Orange? Small company called Orange. Do you know them? They are using our solution for hosted in France and are going to extend it right now in other countries. They did the modification and the customization for themselves, and they're using it. This is our install base for hosted. I don't know if you see names that you're familiar with, but we have really big names. We are the leaders today. Avaya is the leader for cloud, for video solution. If you need to know more, please contact us. We will talk more. Any questions? No questions? Okay, I asked to keep 1 minute for nice presents. So please come with me. This has nothing to do with the video. Even we can take a video for this. Guys, if you have any questions, you can come to me later. We're going to come over here, show them what you are doing. Okay, now we had a lot of questions, and here we have answers. What is the answer for the question? Do you remember the answer? It was RADVISION. Okay, guys, we're going to pick one of the guys, and what is the present? You are the present? He just showed you. Come on, it's not fair. What is the present? Wow, okay. Pick one for what? Which present is? For both of them the same? For the first one? The same. Please. Marek is here. He missed it. Next, he's not here. Take another one. I told you, guys, it will be very interesting. I don't know. Oh, yes, please.
Marcin Miedziejko.
Martin is here. Martin is not here. Next. I told you, guys, it will be very interesting presentation. I told you. Please.
Piotr Siwicki.
No one came to my presentation. You know, it's not fair. If not, you will pick one of the name here. That's it.
Firma Datera. Marlena Waczyńska.
Someone is here? No?
Jeszcze jedna wizytówka.
Okay.
Jerzy Kosiedowski.
Jerzy? No, Jerzy is not here. Guys, we have only 250 names to read. Don't worry. We will finish it in 2 minutes. How much left? 2 minutes, yes? 2 minutes.
Rafał Szcześniak.
Yes! Come on! Excellent. We were afraid that nobody came over here. You know, come, please. Maybe to be nice, give him double even, no? No. Only one, next time. Okay, next name. Thank you very much for you. Thank you for listening. Okay, you'll get this discount for video if you want, okay? Later on.
Robert Rupa.
Hey, guys. Please. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Guys, thank you very much for listening for the presentation. Any question, come to our booth. If you have any questions, you are more than welcome. Perfect. Thank you very much. I enjoyed. Bye-bye.